Welcome, Eric. Tell me how you intend to be the King Momo for this year.
See, as everyone knows, the King Momo leads the parade at the Carnival Parade. This year, 2021 is my year, and obviously, with a very strong message to everyone that we need to have fun, but we need to have fun responsibly. Okay, we need to remember we need to follow certain SOPs. As someone rightly said, the show must go on. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought everyone down in different forms, mentally, economically. But we cannot let the virus win over us. So this is a nice step or small step towards winning over the virus and winning over the pandemic. Requesting all the people to please do follow SOPs while attending the Carnival Parade. Thank you.
So, friends, we know that we are going to celebrate Carnival this year, and although it may be not as before, so we are already on the coming closer to celebration of Carnival, and we know the King Momo rules the state during the Carnival, and we have very exclusive place at the residence of King Momo, Eric Dias in Kandolim. So we are going to ask him about how he intended to be and how he came forward to be the King Momo to rule the Goa for the Carnival. So we are at this restaurant, and we are going to ask him how his journey was to get selected for this to be the King Momo. So Eric, welcome to our show. Tell us what made you to come for the become a King Momo.
To start off with, my children were always excited to maybe see me as King Momo at the main Panjim Carnival or the Carnival of Goa. They've seen me enact King Momo in other smaller places, so they obviously wanted me to be right up there. So I took part in the audition mainly because of my children. Yes, as everyone knows, there was an ad in the paper on the 28th of Jan, which invited people to apply for the post. So I did so, and we had an audition on the 5th. And out of the 5 of us who had applied, I got selected by the judges.
What was the process like basically? What they?
What I see, I don't know what the criteria was per se, but from what we were asked and what we went through, I would say they were looking out at finding someone who would personify King Momo. Because when we entered, obviously, the basic of any interview, we had to introduce ourselves. I had to introduce myself and talk about my hobbies, things that I like to do. Then we were asked to read out a speech, which was a speech of King Momo, normally when he opens the parade. So they obviously were maybe looking out for the diction in the language, pronunciation, the confidence in the body language should have been confident. Then obviously I had written as music being one of my hobbies. So they asked me, do you sing? So when I said yes, I said sing us a song. So I had to sing them a song, and they liked it. So I'm sure the judges found...
Can you tell me which song is
it? The song that I sang on the spot over there was a song by John Denver, Country Roads.
Can you sing few lines?
Oh, the same song, okay. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
That was a very nice song. Tell us, continue.
That's okay.
Tell us further, like how it happened. Next, what happened?
No, once all the auditions were done, we were asked to wait for the judges' decision, and we were all called in, and I was announced the winner. So, just excited about being there for the carnival on the 13th at Panjim.
Have you been to the carnival before?
Well, yes, obviously I have attended the carnival many times. In Goa, it's a state festival, so it's one of the attractions. I've been attending carnival from the time I've been a small boy. But coming back to your question also, Around 2 years back, I had applied for the position of King Momo, but someone else that particular year got selected. So I think this is my year.
So when you think of Carnival, what comes to your mind?
When it comes to Carnival, what comes to my mind is actually having fun. Okay, having fun, enjoying yourself, enjoying with music, food, drinks, dance, hanging around with friends, lot of color, lot of life, and just entertainment.
Now, how are you preparing for the day now?
I have a trial with the seamstress, the tailors, to get my costume ready. So that's one of it. Secondly, a little bit of relaxation on the mind, so I'm fresh enough to be part of the parade. It is quite a tedious job, and yeah, I'm just waiting to see what I have to do, because this is the first time I'm doing it. So I actually don't know what all I have got to be ready with.
So are you very anxious also, like what will happen? And
Then anxiousness is obviously there. It is something. See, today, as King Momo, I will be in front of the world media. The whole world will be looking at me. Obviously, you expect me to be a little nervous.
okay. Now you will be wearing the costume of the King Momo, and you will be on the float, and you will begin the. So how you will feel like?
See, you have to understand, I am a true Goan, and as a Goan, I take pride in my state of Goa. Full pride in my state of Goa. Carnival is an integral part of Goa and the culture of Goa. Now, being able to be in a position where you can actually promote that and get tagged line to it that, yes, Eric, King Momo, part of the Carnival, part of Goa, I see a lot of pride in that.
As a King Momo now, how that title will replicate Eric in the future?
Funny enough, the persona of King Momo is in me any which way. Anyone who would look at me and if it was identified, okay, can you think who could have been King Momo just by the way I look? They would still say, that is King Momo. Okay, I am anyway a very happy person, joyful person. I like spreading joy. I like having fun with friends, family. I love music. So I love food. You can obviously see that. So, as they say, eat, drink, and be merry, right? So, King Momo is equal to Eric. You can say that.
Yeah. Besides Goa, I think people of Kalangut and Kandolim should be proud that one of them is,
Yes. From yesterday, I don't even know how many messages, how many phone calls I've been receiving from all the people in Kalangut and Kandolim, because I'm not very sure, but someone actually said that I think I'm the first person from Kandolim to become King Momo at the Carnival Parade of Goa. I don't know how far it's true, but if it is, it's a matter of big pride for me to be the first.
Okay. What could be your message to the people, especially Kalangut and Kandolim people? Like?
See, as King Momo and the Carnival leader, you have to understand we are in a time of a pandemic, which we should not forget. Yes, we all need to have fun. We can all have fun. Okay, but there are certain SOPs put down by the health department. We need to follow them. Like basic, it is very basic. It's like wearing a face mask, social distancing, simple things. Okay, these following of these things will actually help us to break the link or the chain of the virus, which in the long run, or God bless, in the short run, will actually eradicate the virus from this world. All we've got to be is responsible. As I say, have fun but responsibly.
Now, do you think this year's carnival is affected due to COVID or something?
Yes, it will be affected due to COVID. See, there'll be a lot of people who would normally come for the carnival parade who might opt not to because of the pandemic. But you have to understand, everything needs to revive back to normal. And it will only revive back to normal if we work towards it. See, the Director of Tourism, the GTDC, they are all working towards bringing tourism business back into Goa. Tourism is part of our economy, and due to the pandemic, there has been a very big effect to the industry. Yes, we have to work slowly towards it. As I said, you follow SOPs, you maintain distance, everything is okay. Today, we are going to work. We are doing other things, which need to be done, but under care. As I said, responsibly, if you do everything, there's no problem. You go up, you come out for the parade, you follow what the management, the police are there. They're there to help you. If you adhere to the rules that are put by them, I don't see there being a problem. So always wear your face mask, as they say.
Now, once the carnival is over, how should we see Eric Dias as?
See, as I said, I personify King Momo to the core. So at the end of the day, even I think for the years to come, the tagline King Momo is going to be stuck to my name wherever I go. I don't think so. At least for the next few months, I'll be called Eric anymore. I think everybody everywhere is going to say, that's King Momo.
So you are also going to be here, guests coming out to your restaurant also will say, oh, we are at the King Momo's place.
Yes, for the coming year, it is the spot of King Momo. This is my place, this is my business. Okay, when people come to Bomb Success or Bomb Success, as we actually say, they are going to say, this is the house of King Momo.
During your school time or younger days, did you ever thought of like, I want to be King Momo, or what does that?
No, when I was younger, I never ever imagined of getting into being King Momo, because as I said, it's not something that it was there in my plan. It actually came into my plan only once my kids started picturizing me as King Momo. So it is, today I'm King Momo especially because of them and for them.
What are they saying now since you are selected?
They're actually shying away.
You will look different?
No. They're shying away in the sense, now all their friends will know that I'm King Momo, so they will, the teachers will know, so they're just happy and shy.
Hi, my name is I'm studying in National School and I'm in 4th standard. I feel very happy and excited to see him on one of the floats.
Okay. So, what are your wishes to your dad?
All the best and good luck.
Okay. You also want to be King Momo in future?
Yes,
Okay. So, you are going to support your dada now?
yes. My name is Gabriella. I study at Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Donapal, and I'm in class 8. I wish him congratulations.
Okay. What about your wife now?
My wife is excited.
Did your family support you? Okay, go ahead. You.
Yes, obviously. If it was not for family, I wouldn't be doing this anyway.
Yeah.
I would like to say something. I would take this opportunity very specially, again, to thank all the frontline workers who have been working tirelessly during this pandemic. The doctors, the nurses, the sanitation workers, the police, other government servants from the panchayat, everywhere, all over Goa. You know, they are working very hard to contain this problem and to come out of it. Okay. Also, I would like to thank GTDC, the Director of Tourism, Tourism Minister, for actually putting together an effort to keep this state festival of Goa alive this year in all the problems that we are facing. It might be a small ray of hope, a small smile that we will have in Goa. Because just try figuring, if Goa didn't have the carnival, you would be missing something. So thank you to everyone, and thanks to the judges, thanks to everyone, small, big, Viva Carnival. That's all I can say.
I think this carnival is the second festival we are celebrating after IFFI. So,
Yes, after IFFI, it is the second festival, but as I said, IFFI is a festival that's not technically predominant to Goa. It's not. It doesn't. It is now in a longer run will define as a festival of Goa. But Carnival has been in Goa for much longer. If people actually talk of some of the festivals that are celebrated in Goa, Carnival will actually be one of them, and it's been there for decades now.
So that was Eric Dias, the King Momo of this year's Carnival. We were at his place and he has shared a lot of his experience, his desire and how it all happened and he was selected and the amount of support. One very interesting thing is his children are shying away because he is now King Momo. His dada will be the King Momo for this Carnival. And over to you, people of Goa. Thank you for watching this program and we thank Eric for giving his time to share his experience being the first time King Momo. This is the first time in the Kandolim section he's been selected to be the King Momo, and people of Kandolim definitely must be proud that one of among them is selected to be the King Momo. Thank you very much for joining us.
Hi, my name is Farida Reyes, and I'm the wife of the to-be King Momo for the year 2021. Yes, I'm very excited, very happy. My children are also very excited, and it would be very nice to see him up on the floats.
Did you dream any time that your husband will be king?
Maybe, and he is the king now. So it was also one of his wish to be there up, and he got this opportunity this time.
Children seem to be overexcited.
They are very happy. They are very happy.
What are your wishes to your husband?
All the best, and Eric, you rock.